So once you log into Blackboard and click for the Lehman College Sociology faculty page, you'll see a link for virtual meetings on the left, and if you click that, you'll see a link for Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Click on that, which will bring you to the page where I've set up a session for the search meeting. So once you click for this particular meeting, you can see that there's a dial-in number, or you can just join the session via your computer. And this is kind of a standard video meeting setup at this point. It's probably, if you've never used this on that computer, you might have to give it permission to access the microphone and the camera, and then you might have to do a test. But after that, it'll bring you to the room. And if there's a line over here, it means you're not sharing audio and no one's going to hear you. So you want to click it to make that happen. And the same with video. If you're not sharing, then the line is going to be over it, and you can just click to change it. And I set up the meeting so that everyone has the status of presenter, rather than some people having certain privileges that others don't in terms of chat. So you can open up this purple tab and chat. You can share a whiteboard, or you can share your screen. And if you choose to share screen, you can just pick something. You just go to wherever. I'm just picking something right now, but you go over to whichever part of your screen that you want to share, and when you're done, you just stop sharing. When the meeting's over, you can go over here to the top left and then click leave the session. And then if you just definitely want to make sure, close your tab, go back to Blackboard, and just sign out, and then you'll definitely be out of the meeting.